Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood here from WP-Tonic, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about selling high ticket price digital products in 2024, the beginning of 2025, with an emphasis around membership. That's what we specialize at WP-Tonic. Got a ton of experience in this area. I'll be back in a few moments, folks. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the process of selling a high-end ticket price membership to your target audience. It's quite achievable, but unlike other resources that you're going to come across, it isn't easy. The bitter truth of it, folks, anything that's worth doing takes a lot of effort, and you find the same thing here. But the good news is it's possible. Now, unless you are a very established influencer expert in a particular field that you are attempting to sell your experience in, it is very unlikely that you're going to be able to sell a high ticket course. And I would say that starts slightly under $2,000 up to or above medium $4,900 plus. But it starts around $197,000. You're going to see a lot of 197s out there, folks. Now, the chances of you selling a $197 course to somebody that you haven't got any relationship with online, and what I mean by that is that you have sold them other digital products at a lower price, which they have got value from, or they've not been following you for a number of years, or have not been receiving your newsletter on a regular basis, is extremely unlikely, folks, to be truthful about it. What, if you're starting on this road, what is a more realistic ambition? Well, the realistic ambition is to start building your email, your following, getting people to sign up maybe for a free mini course, and then selling them a course at around $497. I think with the right approach, having a successful launch of a paid course around the 497, and if you do the math, you can make a substantial amount of money in selling between 250 to 500 of those type memberships, and for that to make a real difference to yourself and to your family. And then if that course is successful, you could utilize it as a lead magnet, and it will help you build a effective email list. And your next step is the course slightly under $2,000. In a 2-year period, it's quite possible to get established and to have a very profitable business for you and your family. Now, I could go into a lot more detail. I don't plan to do that in this particular video because I don't want it to go too long, but I've written an article that goes into this in more detail. You'll find the link in the video description. You can also go to the WP-Tonic, wp-tonic.com website. You'll find all the links in the video description as well. and you can book a free chat with me and we can discuss this one-to-one. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really encourages me to make more of these videos. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.